436 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And the war is still going on. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday, December the 16th, 2024. We have not so good news. We have only 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. No extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you. So only those 3 puzzles. Well, it's now 16th. We have 2 weeks to go. 2 weeks, counting down till end of the year. All right. The first one, the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number. Let me position the camera first. Having problems with the space here. Okay. First one, 9758. 9758, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits, yes. Oh, apologies. 26. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 1 digit more. 26 should be a 2 stars. A 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzles, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. Here or there. In this column, we have a 2, another 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Okay. Need a 3 here. Need a 7 here. 3, 7, and then need a 9. 9, 9. Okay. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 4 here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so on that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5, okay. Need a 3 here. 2. Okay. 2, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Shoot it in. Alright. 1, 1. Need a 1 there. Alright. 3, 3. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 3, 3, need a 1, and I need an 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the cell column, so no 8 in this box. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. The other 2 missing numbers in this big square. Other numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3, 3. Need a 1 here. 9, 5. Need a 1 there. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then, let me see. Need a 3 there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left 8 should be there. 8, 8. Need 8 there. Need an 8 here. 1 box left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 6 here. 7 and a 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. The 7 and 9, so 1 is missing. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 3 is missing. Well, we have a 7 and 9 in this column, so no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So 1 digit left. Should be the 3. Need a 6 here. Okay. 5, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3. I need a 3 in this column. Yeah. The 3 could be here, could be there then. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column X down, need 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. Let me pull this up, okay. Here or there, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column 3, now only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 in the third row, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4, 8 should be there. These are 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7, the 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8, okay. 1, 6, 8, 6, 3, 2, 6, 3, 2. Come on. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 6 should be there. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this last column, so no 6 there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. The only place level 6 should be there. So the 9 and the 7 are left. 6, need a 2, need a 3 here. Wow. 4, 6, 5, 2. I need a 9 in this big square. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the row below, no 9 there. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. I need a 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. And I need an 8 in this big square. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. And I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Well, 2 missing numbers in the first row. Oh, sorry, in this row for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the first column, so this box should be a 6. That box should be a 2. Eliminated there the 6, so the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. And the 8 is missing. We have 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so in the first column only place level 8 should be there. If eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. And if eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first column. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Let me mark those. Here, the 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes in there. 1, 6, 8. And look, we have 1 and a 6 in this row. So no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes there. So 1 digit left. Should be 8. 8 in the third row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 8. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place level 1 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, we have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. The 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 9 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 9 and 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 5 goes in there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place level 5 should be there. And 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 13 minutes. Well, can say it's a 3 stars. Can say it's a 2 stars. Can say it's a 1 star. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.